Hi Clash of Kings family, it is Gatita Mala from Kingdom 291. Happy New Year's! I decided to make this video after I had already opened about 27 boxes from my reward. I came in like over 1,000th place and I got 80 boxes of gold. So far I've only opened one, I think it was a gold pant, and then a few orange and blue, purple. So I'm assuming that I'll be able to maybe synthesize a few. So I'm going to open the rest with you. So let's see how I do. Hopefully some good luck. Got blue, blue, another blue, more blue. Wow. Come on, Clash of Kings. Some more blue. Orange. I'm like really appreciative of this anyways. I mean, it's free. It's not like I spent any money to increase the equipment that I had. I just used what I had to get placed. So this is actually like a nice little bonus. So I wasn't expecting this. I didn't get it last year, so I am grateful. Not complaining. Sometimes people get really upset with the Clash of Kings. I kind of like get them. They're like a business, you know, they've got to eat too, so I don't get overly annoyed with them. I've gotten screwed out of a few things in the past and just kind of charged it to the game and been like, you know, it's not even worth it to get so stressed out, and just don't even go there. I'm like super laid back in that sense. No luck. I was hoping to get at least one more gold, but I probably will be able to synthesize something. This will be nice for some of my heroes that are like wearing bootleg equipment. When I say bootleg, I mean like they've got all different types of equipment on them. I don't have sets. I'm not an equipment person. I'm like the first person that will admit that. I actually do not even forge my own equipment. I have a friend that forges it for me because I have super bad luck, as you can see, and I don't know, it's just like complicated and I just don't have time for that. So all right, let's see what I got. So I did get one gold item from the entire 80 boxes, so I'm grateful for that. Thank you, Clash of Kings. Great New Year's present. So let's see what I have. Maybe I could forge a few things. I have 2 orange rings. Okay, so I got some things I can do here. So we are going to synthesize these bad boys. So bam, look at that. Got me some orange armor. Ooh, got a lot of Archangel purple rings. Let's synthesize that. So yeah, I'm grateful. I mean, this is something that I wasn't truly expecting, so I'm not going to complain. I know, like, I totally knew they weren't going to give us, you know, like a bunch of gold. I mean, a bunch of gold equipment. It would have been too easy. So yeah, totally not complaining. I don't even think I got any white, to be honest, or green, so maybe I did and I just didn't. So just gonna yeah, I'm not seeing any white, so that's pretty cool. Just trying to up my governor set. That governor set's a pain. I need to give that for free, because that's like a big money item. Alright, so this is pretty much what I got for free. Thank you, Clash of Kings. And these are free items because I have used all my I had put equipment on all my heroes, so they already had Archangel for the most part. See this guy right here? See, he's got like bootleg, so I'm going to fix my bootleg hero. So I'm definitely going to be making him a gold scepter, and then I'm going to make him a gold helmet, and then a shirt, and I think he needs a boom. You're welcome. And then my boo needs some boots, so I'll have to get him some boots. And then he's got his ring, so he's set there. So this is one hero that I need to fix, so I'm happy that I'll be able to fix him. And probably this guy here, I heard he's supposed to be really good for siege, so I will be hooking him up. Oh, Rufus, why are you naked? Get him some clothes. So anyhow, I just wanted to share that with you. I did a video before with like the gifts in the mail and stuff, so I'll edit the video so you can see. If you have any questions or you have any comments, please comment below. Please share, like, and subscribe. And if you have any videos that you'd like to see, please put it in the comments section. Take care and have a happy and safe New Year's. Hi Clash of Kings family, it's Gatita Mala from Kingdom 291. Just wanted to do a quick update video to share with you what I did get out of the this event here, the God of Forging event. So I didn't really put any money into trying to up this very much. I just equipped the equipment that I had and used it on my hero. So I did end up getting, I will share with you now. Okay, so I reforged my scepter on my Archangel for my queen, and I got cavalry attack and 2 infantry attacks. Previously I had cavalry, archer, and infantry, so I was really happy about that. So I did that with the reforged stones that I got. And then before, in the previous video, I showed you that my little archer guy had some little bootleg equipment. I called it bootleg because it's not very great. Where is he? There he is. So here he is. So I got him. I got 6 sets of Archangel. Now this is after I reforged, or yes, after I synthesized everything and you know, all the low level stuff and brought it up, so I was able to get him a full set. So I'm really happy about that. I did get 1 gold pant just opening, but the rest I had to synthesize. So happy for that. Thank you, Clash of Kings. So that's all I have for you. In the video after this video, you'll see when I originally opened the boxes. So, you know, I just wanted to show you that when I opened the mail from Clash of Kings stating where I had placed. So I look forward to posting more videos. Tomorrow is Ancient Battles, so I will definitely be making a few videos with that. Please like and subscribe. Again, this is my new channel. This is officially mine. Before I was passing videos to Chomsy, so these are totally legit 100% my videos, and I will be posting as much as I can, and anything interesting that I come across, I will try to make a video. Take care and have a great day.